Omegaman here, and I want to let you know that character counts when you're a hero. Let's have some fun.
And fun is my middle name. Let me introduce myself. I am Chuck Chase, also known as the Game Host Guru, and this is Deathmatch. And the death in Deathmatch stands for definition. Let the games begin! Now let's connect the word to its meaning. Here are our choices to choose from on the right side. A. When an individual uses the internet and electronic devices to attack their peers. B. Superheroes who help kids. C. Put downs, insults, belittle, or humiliate another person with your words. D. A person who is cruel or teases another person. E. Decisions that keep you heading in the direction in which you want to go. F. Committing theft. G. The aim or purpose that one works for. Now let's find the correct definition to bully. The answer is D. Goals. The answer is E. Stealing. The answer is F. Cyberbullying. The answer is A. Name calling. The answer is C. Omegaman and Friends. The answer is B. Positive choices. The answer is G.
A superhero always scores big with good character. A person of good character is a role model who sets a good example for everyone, someone you admire and look up to, someone who makes the world a better place, does the right thing even when no one is watching. You can be a person of good character too, by possessing the 6 important traits. We call these traits the 6 pillars of character. Superheroes increase their powers when they apply the 6 pillars of character to their life every day. Those powers are trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, citizenship.
Today, we want to talk to you about one of the 6 pillars of character traits, and that word is respect.
Hi friends, I'm team member Dynamo from Omegaman and Friends. Everyone say, respect.
Respect!
Respect means that you accept somebody for who they are even when they're different from you, or you don't agree with them.
When you respect someone, you treat them kindly and use good manners. Now that's a hero. How do you spell hero? Hero means helping everyone respect others.
Psst, psst. Hey kid, you don't have to be nice all the time. It's okay to be disrespectful sometimes.
Don't listen to him, Amy. He's trying to make you be a dream breaker. When you respect others, you're using your superhero powers for good.
No. Hey, come here. Where you going? Come here. Hey, no.
When you respect others, you're using your superhero powers for good. When you respect others, you're using your superhero powers for good. Now here's a few examples of how you can show respect. In the classroom, sitting still, putting your hands up before you speak, being nice to your classmates and others, listening to your teacher. On the playground, be helpful, play fair with others. Don't leave others out while playing. At home, listening to your parents, doing your chores and keeping your room clean, helping your family members. In the community, not littering, following the laws, keeping your community clean, listening to police officers and other authority figures.
Dynamo, you're making me mad. If these kids listen to you, they're not going to be dream breakers like me, but they're going to be dream makers like you.
Not just dream makers, but they're going to be heroes. A hero always follows the golden rule. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. In other words, treat others the way you want to be treated. Be considerate of the feelings of others. We all have superhero powers, but just because someone else's powers are different than yours, you don't make fun of them, disrespect them, or treat them differently. You accept them for who they are.
Franklin D. Roosevelt said, if you treat people right, they will treat you right 99% of the time. All my friends and I have different superhero powers, and we accept that we are all different in many ways. And by doing that, we make a great team. So remember, kids, character counts when you're a hero. There's a pledge I know, and my team and I want to teach it to you. Everyone, repeat after me. I pledge to be a kid of character. I will be worthy of trust. I will be respectful and responsible, doing what I must. I will act with fairness. I will show that I care. I will be a good citizen and always do my share.
And respect is learned, earned, and returned. And with that,
This is Omegaman, and have a superhero day.